Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is Vlogmas day 23, and for today's video I'm going to be doing some holiday nails. I have my little nail curing machine here, so I'm going to be using this with obviously some nail polish that goes with it. So I'm going to be doing a shellac today. I haven't done this in such a long time, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but yeah, hopefully you like the video and let's just get right into it. So I have two cameras going right now. I have one, this one, and then I also have my phone over here, which is gonna be recording my nails. So yeah, first I will show you guys what I'm using. So I'm using some C&D shellac polish. This is the color I'm gonna use. Basically just like a nude color. This is called, oh, can you guys see? This is called Field Fox. And then of course I have the base coat here and then the top coat to go with them. I already like trimmed my nails and kind of like got them looking somewhat okay. They're really short, but I just cannot deal with long nails. So yeah, this is what my nails look like. I trimmed them yesterday, but I definitely need to file them down. So I have my file. I'm just gonna use this and file them down a little bit. I'm gonna go for like a square oval. Is that the right word? I think it is. Square oval shape? Square oval? Rounded square? Something like that. I mean, my nails basically are already that shape, so I'm just kind of like cleaning up any harsh edges that I might have from just clipping them. Also, I am not a professional, just a disclaimer. So don't come for me if you like actually know how to do nails. I am very much not a pro at this. So like right now I know I am filing the wrong way because you're only supposed to file one way like this. But I'm just gonna keep doing this. Do you guys like short nails or long nails? Let me know in the comments because honestly, I love the look of long nails, but like, I just cannot have them. I mean, fake nails are one thing, but like, to grow my own nails long is impossible. My nails are super thin, and then they like, once they even get a little bit long, they start breaking and like peeling backwards. It's not good. So I always just keep my nails short, and I kind of like the look of short nails too, so that is what I do, but let me know what your preference is. These are actually pretty short. Like, they're a little bit shorter than I usually have them. Usually I just like cut them short and then I'll just let them grow. And I just cut them yesterday, so they're really fresh, and I guess I cut them really short. Okay, so I feel like that is pretty good. We have a pretty decent shape. They're really short, but yeah, we'll see how this turns out. So now I'm just gonna go wash my hands because now I have like powder all over me, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed my hands. They're nice and clean. Got all the nail dust off. And now I'm not gonna do like really any cuticle work or anything. I did actually do this off camera. I have this one nail that just like grows this random chunk of extra cuticle, but I just did that off camera because like it doesn't even look that good, honestly. You can't even tell I did it, but I just did that off camera. So yeah, like I said, this is not really a tutorial because I don't really know what I'm doing. So yeah, I just kind of skipped like the dirty parts and just did that off camera. But I really didn't do much. I just did like that one cuticle, and then I pushed some of them back a little bit so that they are a little bit cleaner. But yeah, that is it. So now I'm gonna read the instructions because I feel like that's smart. Shake to blend, apply a thin layer to all 5 clean manicured nails of one hand. Cure all 5 fingers for 10 seconds in the UV lamp. Repeat on the other hand. Okay, so that is what I will do. I'm gonna put my lamp on the table so you guys can see what I am doing. By the way, if I can, I will leave these linked in the description. I got this a long time ago at Sally's, I believe. But I will try my best to find the link for you guys and leave it in the description. Okay, I have to change the angle of this camera a little bit. Hopefully that is okay. So the first thing I'm going to use is the base coat. So it said to apply a thin layer to all 5 clean nails and then cure for 10 seconds. So that is what I'm going to do. Am I actually supposed to shake this first? Okay, I'm gonna say, oh, let me get, okay, should go on for 10 seconds now. Now I'm gonna do the other hand. Oof, it's been a while since I painted my nails and I forgot how hard it is to paint with your left hand. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, so now it is time for the color. Okay, so for this it says shake to blend. After applying and curing shellac base coat, apply a thin layer to all 5 nails, cure for 1 minute. Okay, so 2 coats of that and then we will do the top coat. Okay, so this hand is done, and now I'm going to cure this for 1 minute like it says. So now I'm going to do the other hand. Okay, second hand done, cure for 1 minute. By the way, I know these are not like super festive holiday nails, like it's basically just a nude nail, but I am going to do like a sparkly accent nail, I think, with this. It's just like an SE polish. I don't even know what this is. There's no name on here. But yeah, you can see it. It's just like a gold sparkle. So I'm planning on doing that on just an accent nail. But they definitely are like a more simple, basic holiday nail. It's nothing fancy. Okay, that one is done. And now coat number 2. I feel like if anything, these might be more on trend with New Year's and Christmas, but hey, New Year's is coming up. Not that I'm going to be doing anything because we are in lockdown. That's okay. Okay, I'm going to cure that for another minute. Now it is time for the top coat for this guy. After applying shellac color, apply a thin layer to all 5 nails of one hand, cure all 5 fingers for 2 minutes. In the UV lamp, repeat on other hand. Okay, so yeah, basically just doing the same thing, just this time I'll have to cure it for 2 minutes instead of 1. There is the top coat, nice and glossy now. Just cure that for 2 minutes. Okay, so that one is done. Now I'm going to do the top coat on the other hand. 2 minutes. Oh, I just noticed the name is on the top of this. It's called Rock at the Top. Oh, my hand is getting warm. Okay, done. So all 10 fingers are painted and cured. There we go. Gonna do my little sparkle. This is shake. This is still a little bit wet, so I'm just gonna apply it and see what happens. And I'm actually gonna cure it just for like 10 seconds. Just cause, just cause I feel like it might help it mesh with the top coat I just put on. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and the same thing, I'm just gonna cure that one. Again, just for 10 seconds. Okay, and now, the only other thing I'm wondering is if I should do more of a sparkle. Like, I'm kind of thinking maybe like a line across, or like, I don't know, like some kind of line or something. I think I'm gonna do it because it just doesn't feel super festive, so I'm gonna do like just a line. So I might be about to ruin them right now, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, that's how it turned out. It's not bad. It's kind of cool, I think. I think for this hand, I'm gonna do that on the my pointer finger. Okay, so there's that one. Now I'm just gonna cure both of those for 10 seconds. So I think I'm done. This is what they are looking like. They're kind of cute. I'm glad I did that extra little line because I think that added a little extra holiday feel. So yeah, this is what they look like. I'll show you guys on the big camera. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much brings us to the end of this little nail video. I hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully it wasn't boring or like lame to watch. Let me know what you are doing or what you did for your holiday nails if you're doing any. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I post. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at @styledbyariel_. I'll leave that linked in the description as well. All the products will be linked in the description as long as I can find them. Hopefully I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the second last vlogmas video. Bye guys.